Sumo and Justice Adoyo.
Ekindini ndima yero maduong koro kayo macheni kendo dong manandalo maikwano duol mochung'ne kwaruok ng'ono ka achiel koda nyaya achiel mar oganda Ncic koro kwayo rowere mar mondo mekegi yeti kodgi koda josiasa muocho tulo mabende koro nyalo keto piny Kenya kamarach kinde yiero maiga manyien ka gitwak kadho wadhna mchumbi gijiwo rowere mar mondo miyo kichre gi chien koda josiasa machalo kamano endo kendo ginyakwe wach mabende koro rowere moko kuom rowere makono singo mar biro neno ni giketo e tema karo monogo bende koro noywore kod apisas mag duol modiro kende mochung'ne tawo yiero ka achiel kod yango keyo pacho kaende IEBC duto bende nojiwo rowere mar mondo mi githegre kod timbe njore e rombe mag siasa.
The commission in the last so months, to be specific 3, we have heightened our fight against hate mongers. As you are members of the political class, to desist from engaging in hate speech, means misinformation and incitement to violence generally. We are very keen to ensure that we are going to have peaceful elections. We are not going to have condone hate speech. So this should go as a warning to members of the political class.
Well, it is extremely unfortunate that the National Police Service and ourselves as a country has allowed ourselves to have goons thrive in this country. And I know the culture of goonism did not only begin during this election period, but it's something that has been, building up over the last couple of years. It have the Organized Crime Act that allows us. We have very many laws. So the problem of this country is not laws, it is enforcement. So we are calling on all the government stakeholders and more importantly the DCI and the National Police Service to be able to enforce the laws appropriately, because we cannot allow ourselves to go into the Haiti path. And it is very simple for us. From the experiences we have witnessed over the last couple of months, it is very possible that we might go to the dogs if we do not manage this situation.
Yangu na kwa niaba ya vijana wenzangu ni kwamba we have to be careful with the information that we share, the information that we consume, especially during this period elections.
On the issue of goons, as the executive director has mentioned, sheria zipo, laws are there. However, ni wakati the laws actually meet the mwananchi on the ground.
Goonism ina influence voters, ina influence electoral process, kwa sababu watu wengi kama vijana wakiona kuwa goonism imeendelea kuzoza na wale ambao wanahusika katika kushirikisha usalama ndio wa kwanza kabisa hawawezi enforce. Sisi kama vijana hatutajitokeza kutoa uwepo wetu kushiriki katika electoral processes za nchi na kushiriki katika the incoming election.
Kitu kimoja ningependa kusema kwamba sisi Gen Z, sisi youths tuwakataa kabisa swala la goons, na juu yake tunasema kwamba na tuna encourage vijana wenzetu kwamba tukatae kutumika vibaya na wanasiasa who have their own selfish agendas and will rather destroy a community, destroy culture, destroy all these other things for the sake of getting a position which will last only 5 years.